Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you don't know who I am, you don't know who she is, I'll tell you. My name is Nicole, or Nikki, so basically whatever you want to call me. But whatever you want to call me, I kind of gave you two options, so you're kind of forced to pick out of those two options. So today I am filming another transformation video. I filmed one before, New Year, New Me, 1 million views or whatever. Thank you so much for those 1 million views though. I was like, wow, I did that. I did. I still go crazy when I think about that 1 million. Like I can't, don't let me get into it now or else I'm gonna be like 1 million people in an arena. Like that doesn't even happen. Like 1 million. So today's transformation though, I'm going to be filming a Instagram baddie transformation because I don't really have that Instagram baddie type of personality, you know. I just post, actually, I mean, maybe on Instagram I kind of finesse like I am, but I'm not. But today I was like, you know, let's transform myself into an actual Instagram baddie, you know, gonna do my hair, gonna do my makeup, and contacts. Upside down. But if you're wondering, no, I do not wear contacts. I have 20/20 vision. Thank you very much. Amen. But I was like, why not try on some colored contacts for fun? You know, make the whole look even extra. And TTDI, which is the brand that is giving me these contacts, reached out to me and they were asking me if I'd want to try it. And I was like, you know what, sure. Like I've always wanted to, but I was like, am I really gonna buy it? Am I gonna do this? Like, who do I even buy it from? Like, how does this all work? Because the only time I ever saw it was in Walmart, and I was like, you know what, Walmart's probably gonna give me an eye infection, so let me not. As much as I love Walmart, I should probably get good contacts if I ever want to do this. So TTDI is actually a well-known brand. They're actually good, and I was like, you know what, sure, I will. So if you want to try on contacts too, but you know, you don't want the Walmart ones, watch out. I don't know. Walmart, don't attack me. I'm just saying, I don't know about contacts. I wanted it from an actual contact brand. Walmart's like my second home though, so they can't even attack me. But if you want to get a discount, I have a code or whatever. Or whatever. But if you guys want to try it, the code is nikkibruner and it'll give you money off. And we all want to save some of that ka-ching. So in this video, we're going to do my makeup, put on contacts, do my hair, and take a bomb picture for the thumbnail and Instagram so I can be one of those Instagram baddies. So if you'd like to watch, go ahead and keep watching this video. I mean, keep watching. That's it. Okay, y'all. So first things first with this video, I need to buy contact solution. Is the car not open? Was I the last person to drive? No, because the legs are so out far. Okay. She be extending these legs like she's a grasshopper. She's gonna watch this. Hi, Ma. Let me turn on the car before she says I'm the slowest person, as she always does. Why does she walk right behind the car? Please leave the premises. Okay, so this is so bad. I'll just stay right here. So basically, I'm going to Walmart right now to pick up eye solution because I asked this girl on YouTube. Her name is Ava, I believe. Let me check real quick. Her name is Ariana Ava. She did TTDI thing, okay? And so I was asking her how contacts work because I really know nothing about them. I just know that I want to try them. And you do need contact solution to clean them off. You can't use the water that they give you. So if you were also wondering that, you're not alone. I didn't know too. So now I have to go to Walmart to buy this contact solution. The sun is still in the sky, so hopefully it stays in the sky so I can film. And also, I promise my family's not weird. We do listen to music when we drive. Not that you're weird if you don't listen to music while you drive, but I don't want to get copyrighted because sometimes it's not like they demonetize you. Sometimes they'll actually like mute the video, and that's really annoying. Okay, so we're at Walmart now, and I don't even know where this eye contact solution is or what I'm like supposed to get. Like, is there a better brand or is there not? So we're gonna figure that out and then go home and film this video because I need to chop get started. Okay, so this is the solution that I ended up picking, the BioTrue. I watched this girl online. She said it's a pretty good brand. She said that it was expensive, so you know, I got the small one for $2. But then I asked the lady at the counter and she said that this is actually a good brand. Like, it's a well-known brand for, you know, cleaning your contacts or whatever. So hopefully this will be good. It says makes wearing lenses easier on your eyes, pH balanced to match healthy tears, and kills 99.9% of germs. So this is what I will be using to soak my contacts before I put them in my eyeballs. Okay, so I'm back. I have my eye solution with me. Gonna open it up and fill up all the little thingies just so they'll be ready when I'm done cleaning them by hand first. After putting them in my eye, they'll have like water to go into. I don't know, I'm thinking about this all through my mind, okay? Let me just do my thing. Okay, I'm gonna do the whole cleaning them off camera since I'm not a professional, and then I'll be back so that you guys can see all the contacts in my eyes, and then from there we'll decide which one I want to be used for my Instagram baddie inspired look. Okay, I'm back. So quickly before I try everything on, this is how the box came, and when you open it, you have all the contacts that you picked there. I'm trying not to touch too much because I just washed my hands. And I already opened all of them. They came in wrappers, but each thing comes with an eye container. And so what I did was on each eye container, the sticker that comes on the box, I put on the eye container so that like I know which color it is because they're really hard to tell apart. And then inside the box also came a bunch of like glitters and cute little stickers. Well, like stickers and tattoo thingies. And it also came with a mirror. So yeah. So I don't have any other mirror with me, so I'm just gonna use the mirror that they gave to try on all these contacts. Also, I don't know if I said it in the beginning, but this video isn't sponsored by them. They just sent it over for me to try if I wanted to, and I was like, why not? So the first one I'm gonna try on is called Brownness. I forgot to mention they also gave these little things. One's a little boop boop type thing, and one's a little pick.
No, you have to hold the top so you keep blinking. Yeah, like that. Like that, huh? You didn't put it. No, go wait, up a little. Wait, that was straight too. That's the ball with me. Oh,
who's a baby? Okay, guys, I look like I'm crying, but I still look like a bad bee. My eyes are watering so badly from putting on these contacts. I did drop it a couple times too, so I have to look at this one again because she's hurting me, and I don't want any dirt on my eye. And then we have to try on all these other ones. Oh my gosh, I feel like this is gonna be my favorite though because it looks the most natural. I'll just be like, oh, bad bee. Okay, I'll be back and I'm just gonna show you guys each contacts in my eye. So this is the first one. It's gonna look so bad because I'm crying, but you know, let's do a little montage and then it'll continue montaging onto all the other ones that I try on. Okay, so this is the last ones I have. They sent me 4, so those are all the ones that they sent me, and it's getting late, so tomorrow morning I'm going to come back to you with whichever contacts I decide to choose to be my look, for my Instagram baddie transformation. So we shall see which one will be in the final look, and then tomorrow we'll do my makeup and we'll do my hair. I was gonna do it all today, but I don't like the lighting. I mean, it's fine, but like, let's wait till tomorrow, okay? Y'all can wait because you just have to wait till the next clip. I have to actually wait till tomorrow. So, oh my gosh, now I look weird with my brown eyes. Contacts number 4 in the shade Natural. I'm so dumb. Goodbye. See y'all tomorrow. Why am I acting like I'm saying goodbye? Like, there's the next clip. Okay, guys, good morning. So I changed. I put on this top. This is from my African mall haul, and I just thought it suited the Instagram baddie type of thing. You know, they all be wearing, it's one of those tops, you know. But I'm choosing the Brownness contacts, so I'm gonna go put those in. I just feel like they suit the look that I'm going for, and it goes with my complexion. I don't know. We're not even gonna talk about this. Know your place. Just look at this side of my face, okay? This is my good side. This side is the side I sleep on, and if I don't take care of my face, which I didn't for like the past week, then I start to break out, and I started breaking out, so we're not gonna talk about that. Done. Is it? I thought so. So let me go put on these contacts and I'll be right back. Okay, so contacts are on. I could have just put them on after I did my hair, but I want to be getting used to them. So I'm gonna do my hair now, and then after my hair, we're gonna do my makeup. And this video isn't a tutorial, so you guys are just gonna kind of watch me do my hair. My goal is to do a slick bun. Okay, so let's get started with this hair. Okay, so I basically slicked it all, but now I want to do my edges. So I'm going to do, oh my gosh, I don't want my cup to break. Someone asked me on Instagram why I use both the Argan Oil Eco Styler and the Black Castor and whatever one, blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm talking about. I feel like this one is really just stronger for my edges and like it'll hold them down more. Like when I used the Black Castor Oil, they kind of curled up. It could have just been my mind. That was like the first time I did edges too. But like, I don't know. I just like this one. Okay, y'all, so hair, check. Contacts are a check. Edges are a check, but that's part of hair, so you know, check, check. So now I have to do my makeup, and first things first, I need to prime my face because I'm not getting a breakout. Part of this is because I didn't, the last time I did my makeup, I did not prime my face. Running low, I'm running low. I definitely put so much on, but it's okay. Better more than too little. We don't want a rash, we don't want pimples, we don't want wrinkles, we don't want none of it. Why is my face burning? I probably should have washed my hands before I put it on. I am. Okay, you know what? Whatever. Gotta fight through the tingles. It broke? What? Oh no, it didn't. So what is that? Oh my gosh. I thought my favorite thing in the world broke. Not my favorite thing in the world, but my favorite makeup. You know what I'm at. Nope. Shut up, shut up. Shut up, just shut up, shut up. How do we think alike? Because we're twins. Also, last transformation video, you guys are really sweet talking about I don't need makeup, all this type of stuff. Like, guys, I promise I'm not like insecure or something like that. Like, I'm just doing it for the video. I never wear makeup unless it's for a video or I'm going somewhere special. So, no worries. Your girl is fine. She's confident in her skin. It's just today she has to look like a bad bee for the video. I feel like because this is an Instagram baddie look, I should not do blush, but I don't know. Time to snatch the nose. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight literally what she broke, but I'm gonna highlight with this eyeshadow. Okay, that looks good. Oh dang, it looks good. I didn't think it was gonna look good. Expectations surpassed. Now, time for an eyeshadow look. Okay, I'm honestly just gonna keep it simple, and the same bronzer that I used to bronze my face, I'm gonna use it in my eyes, but I'm gonna put like a little bit of shine on the lid. So let's just do that. Okay guys, so my eyes are done. I just did green in the green inner corner highlight type of thing, and then bronzy glowy on the inner corners, and then bronze on the outside. I'm gonna do my favorite clear brown mascara gel thing. I use it now to like prime my eyelashes before I actually put on mascara, and then I put the mascara on like the tip, and then it makes my eyelashes look so long. And I want my eyebrows to look just darker, obviously, after all the foundation got on them. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do to my eyebrows. And now for my eyelashes. Like, I just love it. It makes it look like, you know, I don't know if anybody can relate to this, but like when you cry, your eyelashes look so good. Like, I don't know why, but sometimes I'll cry and I'll be like, wait, let me look at my eyelashes. And they look good. And this is the kind of look that they give me, and I'm like, oh, I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna put on actual mascara just to like the ends of my eyelashes. Okay, and then the last thing is I'm just gonna put some shine on my lip. Okay, so my edges have been down long enough. It is time to take this off. And there we go. Okay, okay, I really did that. I think I actually killed this. Like, why do I look like an Instagram baddie? I'm waiting. Okay, so we've basically come to the end of this video. All I did was did my makeup, pop some contacts in, slicked the hair, did the edges, and I put on this top. This is like the classic, you know, Instagram baddie top that's like da-da-ding, da-da-ding. So yeah, the contacts really brought this whole look together. Like, I'm an Instagram baddie. Okay, so if you like this video, please don't forget to like. I bet you're trying to click out right now. No, know your place. Click the like button first before you exit, because if you think about it, I put all this time and effort into this video and you're gonna come and watch and not even like? No. No, you're not gonna do that. You're gonna like the video, and you're going to subscribe, and you're gonna comment before you exit the chat, because let me know you enjoyed the video. Like, this was so fun to do. I haven't done my makeup for like for YouTube in so long, I feel like, so this was kind of cool. I was like, I know what I'm doing or whatever. I know what I'm doing. Slip the hair, slip the edges. But yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll be back again next weekend. I'm not going to say Saturday or Sunday because honestly, I'd be finessing you guys too much. Like, I say Saturday and then I post Sunday, and then I say Sunday and I post Saturday. My goal is to post every weekend and hopefully sometime during the week as an extra video if I'm feeling frisky. So yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe, and I want to start calling you guys my Nicksters. How do you feel about that? Like, join the Nicksters, you know, the Nicksters family, whatever. Join the Nicksters. Be a part of us. Nicksters. That's actually my sister's nickname she gave me, so I thought it was cute. Like, join. Like, Nicksters. But last thing, I mean, I almost have 50 billion things to say, but don't forget to follow my Instagram because this is an Instagram baddie transformation, so go look out for my Instagram post of this Instagram baddie look, and just follow my Instagram in general because I'm always on there. I'm always liking, commenting, answering your guys' DMs, and thanks so much for all the little fan page stuff. Like, oh my gosh, they're just so cute. I love them. And yeah, so don't forget to follow that because I'm always active on there. And yeah, now I'm actually done with my exits, okay? Like, I've done 50 billion outros, whatever. But thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and Nikki out.